Hi guys and welcome back to another vlog. आणि आयचो व्हिडिओ जावन आसा all about birthday celebration of my nephew. Okay, so हांव न्हेसलेलें हां तुमकां आख्खो आयचो दीस कहो गेलो सगळे दाखयतलें. ओके, सो आमी गेली टाउनान, गिफ्ट्स हाडले, whatever we had to do shopping, आमी शॉपिंग केलें. ओके, आनी सो तुमकां आख्खो एंटायर डे दाखयता हांव आफ्टर दीस. ओके, सो आमी वयता आतां बर्थडेक. ऑलरेडी न्हेसली, आमी आतां भायर सुत्तेली. या आनी स्ट्रेट मेवता तुमकां हांव पावले उपरांत. ओके, सो keep watching. He is my nephew and my godchild as well. So yes, चड लोकांचे न्हू, it's just a family celebration, so it's just gonna be us. Yes, so सजमोता तुमकां म्हजो व्हिडिओ लायक जातलो म्हणून, so keep watching आनी yes, thank you. Good morning friends and welcome back to another vlog. आयज म्हाज्या नेफ्यूआचो आनी म्हाज्या गॉडचायल्डाचो बर्थडे, सो आमी वयता आतां टाउनान. ओके, मागीर तुमकां दाखयता बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन खंय जाता. इट्स नॉट मच पीपल, इट्स अ स्मॉल सेलिब्रेशन, जस्ट अस. ओके, सो ओके आमी वयता आतां टाउनान, मातशें ताका गिफ्ट ओ कितें. ओके, सो आल सी ऑल देन. वारो मारता न्हू. Go, open the door.
It's a rat.
So guys, आमी finally पावली टाउनान आणि this is Faubourg Park in Reading. So yes, कितलो बरो weather हा पळया guys. Okay, and this park looks really amazing. It's चड सकाळचें हा गायज, सो ताका लागून चड लोक कोण नाय हांगासर. ओके, सो येस आमी पावली आतां टाउनान आनी पळोवया कितें गिफ्ट कितें मेवता तें. आमची चड शॉपिंग ना गायज, सो वी आर जस्ट कम टू बाय गिफ्ट्स एंड या दॅट्स इट. सो आमी येयल्या जेडीन. ओके, पळयता कितें मेवता तें जेडी. Eka zai ball, and look at him. No ball, that is for big children. You can't have that ball. Come. So आमी घेतले हे शूज गायज. ओके, आनी तेजे उपरांत आमी नेतनाक घेवन गेली ऑन दीस मेरी-गो-राउंड. तेजे उपरांत हांव गेलें पार्लरान बिकॉज आय हॅड टू डू माय आयब्रोज. आनी आफ्टर ऑल दॅट वी केम टू KFC for our lunch. Bringing Pepsi for you, okay?
You like Pepsi?
So guys, आमचो lunch येयलो and we got 2 burgers and we got this loaded fries which were amazing. आणि घेतली आमी chicken wings which is my all-time favorite fries and that's amazing as well.
One eternity later.
सो गायज आमी घरा येयली आतां. ओके, गिफ्ट्स बा सगळे घेतले. हांवें हेअर ऑयल केलेले, सो आय एम गोना हॅव अ बाथ नाव. ओके, हेअर वॉश कोत्ता एंड वी गोना गेट रेडी फॉर द बर्थडे पार्टी. ओके, सो सगळे जालें म्हणटकूच तुमकां मेवता हांव. दीस वील बी नेथन्स कार्ड. ओके, एंड नेथन गोना रायट समथींग ऑन द कार्ड. या नेथन.
Okay.
Happy birthday, brother. Come on, Nathan. Start writing something here. Say happy birthday. You scribble whatever you want to scribble on this.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Come on. Any color you want. Okay, right here. Mama will help you, okay? Come. We'll write happy birthday.
You want a hug, but you're in a relationship with a North Korean, and I like to stay alive.
Hold. Happy
Birthday.
Look here, eh?
You say like,
Look here.
I stress you? Oh, I'm sorry. I stress you? I stress you. You basically from North Korea? That's not stressful. I
Happy birthday,
To
Kaden.
Kaden.
Hold. You didn't finish yet.
Mine,
Hold.
mine and Kaden.
Okay, hold here. Hold. From
What's his name? Michael? Call him Michael.
Nathan. Okay, that's it. That's Nathan's card. You will give this for Kaden, Mare?
Yeah.
Hold. Close this.
for me.
Close the pen.
This is one for me. This is one for me.
Yes, Ray. You have to give this for Kaden. It's his birthday, not your birthday. Okay? See, we brought this and you're going to give this chocolate for Kaden, okay?
Okay.
Yeah? This is your present for him.
Ooh, ah.
Yeah. This is for Kaden. Yeah?
Yeah.
So I'm going to put that in the bag. Yeah. This is Nathan's bag. Nathan going to put that in this bag. And when you go to Kaden's house, you have to give that for him. Yeah?
Okay.
You must say happy birthday. So this will be Nathan's present. Our present. So all set. It's not Godma's birthday, Nathan. It is Kaden.
To Kaden.
Yes.
Happy birthday to Kaden. Happy birthday to Kaden.
Say Zolma to this.
God bless you, this to show. God bless you, this to show.
A few moments later.
So we are ready to go for the birthday. And that's our outfit. Nathan, show me how you're looking. Look here. Look here. Look, Mama, look. Look, Mama. Go behind. Okay. Okay. So, tatung kami straight at Kaden's place. Okay, let's go now. So let's go, Mare.
You wanna become what?
Let's go, Mare. So, bar solli guys. Okay, mami गेल्या कामाक. So, ते कमी मागीर पिक करूंक वयतली. Okay. बर्थडे बॉय व्हरपाक येयला आमकां. हा? Come this side, Nathan. This side. Thank you. Nathan. Today. Wish him. Wish him.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
This is for you.
Thank you.
See? You must wish like that. You wished him? You didn't wish him. You showed him what you brought for him?
Yeah.
What is, give that. Give that for him.
This is for you.
What's that?
Wow, thank you.
What's that, Ray?
Come. Thank you, Nathan.
You're welcome. Right.
Say, there, Jolene made, see, look. Have this. Formia and cone.
Ice cream.
Tuna cone.
Ice cream. See.
70 बोल रहे
Jolene made this. Come, have, come.
Ice cream, look. Nice. Yeah. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers.
Just make.
Cheers.
Mojito. Cheers, रे हाँ पहिले पिता यो cheers करूया कर के पिता mojito यो cheers cheers
Beautiful go.
Life is beautiful and good. Every day is a good day. Thank you. Of the day. Always. Ani masuk
lam
Na masuk zara tolo.
become tall na re.
Yeah.
So yes guys, inga sur mami ili kamangson ten kidanang wish kele and then yes we started with a celebration.
This for you.
That is not Nani's, that is.
I like.
Wow. Look.
You like it, Mare?
Thank you.
Didn't like or what?
Ah.
Ah. You said you like black, that's why. That is white, no?
Yeah.
White, okay, not a nonce.
I have the same. I knew it would be something like this. I wanted this type of. No, it's Zata. This is what I actually wanted.
I'm the color.
Yeah, going so pan pono sapay.
Same that match.
Pan pono se yare. Ooh la la.
Give me the
Pan pono sa grauta le aun.
eyes. Yeah, I'm the food.
Only one.
Chicken lollipop. Khata. Bara ala re. Made by Fraser. Selfie काढा चिकन लॉलीपॉप खाता म्हणून तोरा तोरा अंडी
Holy mango.
तोरांचो शिरो
Hey, Jolie.
Yes.
A few moments later.
Viva United! Oh, cheers!
What are you doing here?
they won. Man United won.
Hey, Kedan, phone di.
Hey, Jolie.
Hey. So finally cake cutting time, guys.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you.
Blow the candles first. Kedan, candles. Blow. Asa korun de.
Oh yeah.
तेरे घाला ते
Give Nathan give. Nathan give. Nathan give first. Nathan give. Give. You give.
give dada give.
Wait, Nathan. Don't.
तुम्ही घाल ना तोंडान त्याच्या तेका घालूंक दी त्याच्या तोंडान तुम्ही आणि माई मामी होस ये
It's so cool.
चल मामी
Pause मला ते.
आओ हे काढपाचे रोटेट करपाचे मध्ये मामी काढून दे
Time for us to change things.
Baba you give for him give
Hey, Sainsbury's. They grow quicker than my budget. Any help?
too much
Put
sugar
in the nose.
Butter.
We're always matching prices.
Put in the Kaden, put in the nose.
Very good, yeah, Hano.
Through tropical sunshine indeed. Because we're always matching and lowering prices. Sainsbury's, good food for all of us.
Baba you not giving give for Kaden put in his mouth yay okay now Kaden gonna get the gift from Mama Dada okay let's see what Mama Dada brought for you a big surprise for you Kaden big surprise to Carla oh your present
Oh my God.
you waited for this no so many years PlayStation 5
Yes, 5.
yay Kaden got finally
Happy, brother?
Yes.
very happy today Kela Fraser and fried rice beef chili sorry green beef pork vindaloo okay आणि chili chicken so आम्ही आता जेवपाक वयता yummy yes guys आम्ही आता जेवपाक वयता ऑलमोस्ट जाली 11:30 हिंगासर yeah so yes So I start केलो माझो डिनर गायस कित्याक हेंचें इतलें बेगीन जावपाचें ना so yes I started with mine from Goa Bibi what is that Nani is eating having food mare
Play.
Nothing is big.
Huh?
2,000 years later.
12 o'clock became Nathan. 12 o'clock we have to go home. So guys, yes, आम्ही बाहेर सोडली finally. Nathan convince करून he wanted to stay, so yes, ताका convince करून बाहेर हाडलो आणि आता आम्ही सोडली घरा because it was almost 12 o'clock. आणि आम्ही घरा आयली आणि बडी काढल्या एक चिकन. बडी टेक. Yeah, buddy, birthday chicken. Kaden gave you birthday chicken. Here, up here. Yes, come on, buddy. Come on, jump. Take. So guys, आम्ही पावली घरा. आता झाले almost 12:30. Okay, so we had an amazing time. Okay, family time. Yes, that's everything. Birthday was good. Mashem brendisle sugli meon barabur. Okay. So smota tumka majo video like zalo म्हणून video like zalo जाल्यार please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and see you all in the next vlog. Okay. So yes, take care, good night and mogasu.